little projects on hand, so I can improvise some of use these pieces to make one of these projects. Like the breadboard. When you want to make a breadboard organ, one of the components is the breadboard itself via a tiny little button sounder. It's very small. Let's find out why I really like this book. Book text web. Table of contents, we don't have to worry about that. Things safe. Hot things like a glue gun. Sharp things like a bottle. Electrical hazard, safety wear, disposal of things, and yeah. And now let's move to the toolbox. There's something in the toolbox. It has a putty, a hot glue gun, some tape, a spring clamp, utility knife, bottle, a cutting mat, scissors. Components are the main thing. They're also known as the software of a machine. There are 3 types of batteries: 9 volt, D, 3 volt, and AA. Also have battery packs, solar panels, capacitor, coding, capacitor, resistor. This is how we read a resistor. Speakers and earphones, transmitters, magnets. How to build a coin battery. The first battery created 2 and automatic. Woo! I just found the page. Night light. And now onto the automatic night light page. The automatic night light. Oh! And you tons of projects, and they can even use for reusing things. When you have old pipes that are no longer used to make a pipe stereo. Wow. Yes, it can be very good for the environment as well. Tons of environment. The most favorite project of this book is the circuit organ, like my piano at home. But yes, this is something similar with the circuit organ and a piano at home. They're both powered by electricity. There is a series of resistors that let's see. A series of resistors determines the pitch of the note the organ produces when a switch is pressed. I really like this book because I would read it over and over again. However, I borrowed this book from the library and I have to return it. Well, I'm thinking that I'm going to use the money in my piggy bank to buy the book if I have enough money to buy it, to build all the projects from this book. With the help from my dad, I used the knowledge from this little book to make a fan car. Yes, let me just put it on. Let's see here. We can see here. Okay, this one is part of the terminal. Put it maybe. All now this is part of the force to it. Do you think this project is cool? Well, I used the knowledge from this book with the help from Dad to make this little project. Maybe you can use your knowledge from this book to make your own project. To me, reading is fun.